Welcome back to Aside Hot. Let's go to the inside studio. And we tell you that say today they loaded. We don't drop the first story. It got to do with the preparation of INEC for 2023. We look the elections when don't happen. No contact say as we narrow them down to people living with disability. What did INEC don't do? From what we see for this election that we pass, so especially for Osun State, where we show now some of the pictures and also the video interview of that person where we saying blind. When vote for this election, it shows say INEC don't put their leg for ground and they don't prepare. It got the way when we say technology they do. Oga David Anyele, for join us, make it explain to us say from the position where they do, see what in them see the advice where they will give INEC so that the thing go better, or see the mark where they will give INEC say INEC don't do well. Before we go down, we go tell you say Governor Wike of Rivers State don't drop strong statement. When he drop this one now today, this Friday today, for the new airport for inside the Port Harcourt, new international airport. You know news story people now, as they carry microphone put for Governor Wike came out.
Microphone no they go.
Microphone no be lollipop. He no supposed to be calm. Now so Governor Wike talk say.
He test them. Testing microphone.
So what do you mean say the governor throat no clear?
No, just the thing. You know, say before you go talk to microphone, you go first start testing microphone.
So this is the way they try to now and say maybe because Governor Wike they talk like this.
No talk so.
Now show your voice there now.
Why go talk so? I say testing microphone.
That's testing. Now so your voice there.
Now we try
to your voice there.
Who testing so my voice there? Mind yourself, oh.
You see they use the voice. You just say
mind yourself.
You see they use the voice. That tell me I mind myself.
Okay.
Unkubi. You have to apologize to His Excellency.
To who? I insult anybody.
Okay. Now so Governor Wike talk say he himself see that interview when the presidential candidate of their party Alhaji Atiku Abubakar do. He talk say the statements na lie na influence lie and people expect say making no react. Una go remember say a couple of days ago after that interview Governor Wike drop one tweet.
Bam.
He say he go soon talk. And when he talk,
people can't anticipate the talk where he go talk.
He said when he talk, everywhere go shake. Everywhere go shake. Now today now just a tip of the iceberg.
He never talk with that
He never talk but he already talk say na lie.
You know when you put somebody for suspense, say okay, bam, see the intro. When I wait for the main thing.
So this intro now, he just like say Governor Wike don't drop beats.
He don't drop beats.
The thing they hot.
Lyrics never enter but the beat don't they shake.
He talk say, una remember say Alhaji Atiku Abubakar talk for that interview say, the Governor Wike na strong man. Governor Wike na person wey be say he dey courageous, and na person wey be say they respect for inside PDP and across Nigeria. Say he know, and na why they don't start all the action to see say them go settle the quarrel. Governor Wike say nobody don't call him.
Hey,
he say nobody don't call him.
Hey,
now he be like say this quarrel. He never gets it.
Never ever that is there.
He said nobody call him. Nobody call him say hello Governor Wike.
Come make us settle this matter. Nobody
don't call him.
Now wow.
Nobody don't call him.
So what did that one come me now? So what if this particular bumble they expect?
It could be this voice where they use the thing they fear me.
I go to fear you now. I go to fear you.
Who could be, you know they like this before?
And what can I do now? We're different.
With this voice, you say everything they different.
Leave that in. So right now, the level where the matter don't enter right now. They say, Governor Wike don't talk say.
Could be that where you that where you even put. If you they pretend before, you don't really show who you even come on they talk like say response and answer. Governor, we have come for the show. We are going to present the.
That's so in the talk.
No, be what so in the talk now.
I go talk now say in the talk. I don't see a talk before. I don't see a one-on-one before.
It is only why you they do this show. Your voice never ever did like this. Why is your voice like this now? When we are talking of the story, say Governor Wike say Atiku tell lies against her for interview.
You know say whether they make person voice change. Yeah, they could. Suddenly.
So here they go suddenly you can't be like say they Port Harcourt.
Except if you go 5 minutes or 2 go take care, we're gonna help me clear my truth.
Hey.
So anyway, guys, I don't see the matter. The matter don't enter that level. We see, it is obvious say this matter they never settle them, and if they know perhaps looking to settling it immediately, Of course, we know a lot of us know who Governor Wike be. Now, person will say, no, they hide mouth. In they talk the matter as he be for mind. In go drop and talk am. Person will say, in go talk for, in the go podium. They insult people anyhow. In a total say no send. In go talk, and by the time he drop it, he go drop. Here, everywhere go shake. So, PDP, my own advice is say, may not resolve the matter. Make not resolve the matter because if not resolve them, I mean, I also be might say, na be strong party, opposition party for the country. So that this thing don't go affect the election where they come. You understand?
This one, the matter be like said, the matter don't even tough. Hey. Because in the very words of Governor Nyesom Wike, people like say he never even start fight too.
That is why so you don't interested again.
Make we pick from his statement.
Okay.
He said you can imagine the presidential candidate of the PDP, Yakubu Dogara, when he unveiled vice presidential candidate, no right thinking member of this party would say that the speech he made on that day was fair. Assuming today I am not alive, obviously, what they have said will be accepted as the truth.
Chai.
See what he continually say. Look at his attack dogs.
Who be these attack dogs?
He mentioned their name.
Who?
He said Sule Lamido.
Hey.
Babangida Aliyu.
Hey, yeah.
Maina Waziri.
Yeah.
Look at the statements they issued. Look at the abuses they rained on me. But I never reacted. And Nigerians will ask, you mean these things happened?
Wow.
So it is important that as a person and for my own future and for those who rally around me to say, look, this is not fair. So I will make sure that I will react to them line by line of the statements.
As lawyer, we in view, no say lawyers. Exactly. When you read, when they interpret your word, then go they bring and then go they extract and say this is what it means. Now what's in me be that?
He say line by line of the statements made by Alhaji Atiku Abubakar himself and his attack dogs. Hey, they call people dogs.
Oh, governors. Oh,
he can't continue. He say, look at it. A presidential candidate who believes that he wants to win election and somebody who contested fiercely with him that has never raised any issue. I just kept quiet, just minded my business to see how my state can move forward. But every day, his people come up to attack me, to say one thing or the other. That's quite unfair. And so I should let Nigerians know at the appropriate time, which will be after the commissioning of projects that we have lined up. So when we won't finish the project, we don't line up. By that time, we go come out
first. But you never can tell. You never can tell. This particular statement where you should, this bomb where you don't drop. You understand? If you make them say, okay, before you go drop the main one or talk with it in mind, make you run, go settle. Okay. Make you run, go settle. So that this vex with the vex, not the person with the vex. The result not the good. So make the cookman settle and come and that say, Governor Wike, how many times we call you? Just calm down. Calm down.
It could be like say this last part when he talk for this. This last part when he talk for this sentence, be like person will be say, if they come now to beg him, he go fight the
people. Nobody will know they accept beg. Except that conversation go end up.
Listen to the last statement now.
Say waiting.
Listen, you and person they quarrel. The person can't go before he go in do you like this. What did he mean?
But you not to say it one like
no, this. Wait, if he do you like this, what did he mean?
Not to say, okay, we go see wahala.
Look at this statement and tell me if he means or he doesn't mean.
Okay, at the here.
In context, say, we will say, look, this is not correct, so that posterity, history will be on our side, that we have been able to keep the record straight. So nobody should be in doubt whether I am going to speak on the issue of PDP, issues of the primaries. And
nobody should be in doubt.
Hey. He said, Nigerians will know what happened. Nigerians will know those who love this country. Nigerians will know what went behind. And that is to assure you, I am going to speak on that.
That speak carry weight.
This is to all the people when we say, no, they hear what they talk. He don't do them like this.
But Chukudi, we don't see people talk so strongly. They won't release statements strong. But in the end,
Governor Wike is not people.
He's not like this. He's not people.
Governor Wike is not. Why you think say?
No, why you think say? I know.
Why you think say in the end? Maybe they not choose them.
Hey. Okay.
Talking about problem, no be only PDP get problem.
Who?
Rain they beat APC. Today too. This Friday. They say APC Northern Christian leaders then gather together Former SGF, Babachir Lawal.
No, he don't talk in mind.
Former Speaker of House of Representatives, Yakubu Dogara.
All those are the talk.
Senator Mayweather. Sorry, Elisha.
Okay.
That one will slap person. Sorry.
No, we slap person. He slap person.
Senator Mayweather. In your Mayweather. Instead of there. The thing when they talk, they say, if they still the party, they say they go reject Muslim ticket.
What did they want to do? The time don't pass now.
No, he mean say they no go vote for the person for election.
Okay.
They come, they urge Nigerians. Say make Nigerians reject. People who still inside the party. They already tell people say make them reject their own party presidential and vice presidential candidates. Things have fallen apart and the center can no longer hold.
Hey. Oh.
So as PDP they get malaria, APC they get typhoid. Giving the story when they news.
Chukodi. You know one funny thing about all these politicians? A lot of things will happen. One, if you know they're satisfied with what your party they do at this point in time, or perhaps you feel that they don't differentiate, they want to be that English, differentiate.
Talk for pidgin.
Say they don't defend, you know, chan. They don't deny your certain things. They don't deny your certain things. Two things are capable of happening. It is either you leave your party and enter the other party. You understand? So that one and one.
Or you stay in the party.
Or stay in the party.
Spoil their chances.
And spoil their chances.
You don't forget what happened for Osun State. Why people they blame the former governor and minister for interior? They say that because of the support where no support, and it caused that problem. So is it better to tell them to go or have them in your party? Exactly. So it is serious.
And it happens during elections where people they normally get the wahala they happen, but in the end. There was people who go set to go see set.
Nigerians make una focus. Nothing.
Focus.
Umbrella, broom, pineapple, hammer, spoon, they quarrel. The most important thing I say, when the election time reach, we go vote for the right people who go move this our country forward.
Bam.
Now, what we want now to open our telephone lines. Make una when the house today. Una go remember say on Friday we've been talking about. I'll be on Wednesday. We've been talking say we never really open telephone. Today now we won't open telephone. Now you
for
the
next
doctor.
For the next 22 minutes, make una talk to us.
So call us and give us prescription.
Of all the things we don't talk, everything we don't talk. We concern INEC and that is the CVR, that is continuous voters registration. We concern them, say INEC say, okay, for people living with disabilities, say at least their plans stay to make sure say they also include them for the election. To also look into the fact, say, hey, Governor Wike of Rivers State don't talk, say, hey, very soon go release bomb. He don't talk a couple of things concerning the presidential candidates of the PDP, that's Yakubu Abbo. And also the fact, say, for APC, say, some Christians will be members of the party, will be strong members of the party, they also come and talk, say, look, this matter of Muslim ticket, say, we will not go support them. So all these matters, make na call us, make na chook na bad. But if not they call, make na also they mind the kind of languages when they use. They're very, very important.
They're very important too.
Each person get 1 minute.
No insult anybody. No curse anybody. Call us and tell us your mind as you take concern these three matters will carry come. You believe, say, with the examples when we see for the elections will happen for inside Osun, Ekiti, and also for inside Anambra State. INEC done ready, especially with people living with disability. This talk when Governor Wike talk today, you think say, hey, the quarter for PDP be like say, he no get settlement. Hey. Tell us your mind. Then third one, as APC Northern Christian leaders, when they inside the party don't come and talk, say, make Nigerians reject the candidates when their own party carry come. You think say the thing will affect the chances of the party? When we go this break, come back, now we begin the talk. Like my brother Unkubi talk. 1 minute, everybody. Will they come back?
Talk about that. Yabla say the government some people don't hear. They will seal up their ear. Once they seal up their ear, they will go back to sleep.
Welcome back to Asiri Hot. Here's the Yakubu Dogara inside studio, and we don't tell una say we go put our phone lines, make una call and talk una mind as it take concern the three action matter where we carry come. With what you see for inside Osun, Ekiti, and Anambra, you think say INEC done ready. Most importantly for people living with disability. If you now watch the show from the beginning or you join at any time, you go don't see say we flash them on top of una screen people where they live with disability and how they participate for inside the Osun State elections. This one shows say as INEC they talk, then they also they do. Unfortunately, Oga David Anye no fit join us because he's a person where we say all the work when they do concern the interest of people living with disability. We can also talk say Governor Wike don't drop a bomb today for inside the new international airport for inside the Port Harcourt. He been talk say all the thing when be say Alhaji Atiku Abubakar talk for the interview say na lie na fulan. Say in fact, if truth na 10%, lie na 90%. He use lie like plenty pepper take spoil all the talk when we say talk. He can also talk say some people don't in the because he don't focus on his state. In the some people go dey insult him every day.
He be no one talk o.
Say by the time when he finish the project wey in the commission, he go comot clothes. He go ready for them. And Nigerians go hear those who love this country and those who no love. Who come dey ask say with this talk when Governor Wike just talk today, now you think say PDP problem na hospital? Now the thing need to go now. Because you don't pass it, they take medicine.
Make I ask one question. If Governor Wike has been chosen, if they choose him as the vice presidential candidate of the PDP, all these things where they discover about and the presidential candidate of the PDP, where they talk say a lot of things where you talk will be lie. This saying for come talk.
The problem now
if for says okay, since I don't get this thing, make a come hide.
The problem now if you cannot base a discussion or subject on assumption. But the situation they face now, I say, Governor Wike de para. Abdul, they call us all the way from the Federal Capital Territory for Abuja. Okay, Abdul, you get 60 seconds. Welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you. Good evening.
Good evening, Abdul.
Yes, we're there with you. If your TV they on, bring the volume down.
Yes. I'm on the side of that lady that put on a purple.
Oh, no lady.
No lady here.
Hey, no lady.
The last night, the other program, they listen to Abdul. Thank you very much.
No lady for here. We not talk lady.
The program is Aside Hot, not what's the name? Better waiting.
Hey.
If you know what you mean, that they'll be there.
Now Aside Hot, we ask very important question. This second one will ask now say, with what Governor Wike don't do for inside the talk wey concern the interview wey Alhaji Atiku Abubakar give, you think say the problem of APC now, PDP, sorry, the thing don times 2 because he not talk say maybe we go wait. Say when the commission project finish, he go come and he go talk and Nigerians go know those wey love this country and those wey be say no like this country. The third one can be APC Northern Christian leaders wey come out come talk say make people no vote for Muslim ticket. How you go be member of political party come talk say you
make them no vote for your political party.
Oga Jerry from Nasarawa, maybe he go give us this answer. Jerry, welcome to Aside Hot.
Jerry, good evening.
I see for life.
Jerry, your radio, your TV they on. Bring the volume down. You there, Jerry? We dey talk am here, we dey talk am every day we come here, almost every day we dey come here, we dey talk am say, if na one call us, make sure say na bring na TV, the volume of na TV down.
Or if your neighbors they watch,
come out there.
Make them hear you say, you talk on top of the Ogbonge political show, come on for that place.
Go outside.
Once you put your phone for ear, and you hear our voice say hello, just begin the talk. No wait for the hello when you go hear for television. Now why would they talk say, reduce the volume of your television as you call us or come up for that particular
place. Say for some people, they sweet them to hear their voice for TV. No, don't worry. You go see. You go see that. You go hear my voice now. Hello? Wait. Go there. Hello?
Uncle, the way you do this, now what you do with that?
No. How go they do that? It is sweet some people.
You just expose yourself.
No, now what some people they do with that?
But you just expose yourself.
I have never called on a TV platform.
How are we going to be sure? When you even know how they do, hello, wait, so it means say you go your neighbor house when get generator. Can't tell her make you put them on top of the show. Can't they call? Why are you like this?
Me, because I say I feel say now so they do and you don't accuse me now.
No, be wait now. Person when no say if you put hand inside okra soup to thief meat, you must roll your hand like this. That be say the person na thief. Now from experience now.
From experience.
They know they thief soup for okra like because you go leave trail. Once you carry and do like now, be say you don't dey thief.
Now to show you how long you don't dey thief.
No, I just say now you are used to
because for you to put and do like this, you be
see the way
you go don't thief meat for your
mama. The way you take do the hand.
Any day when your mama cook okra, that okra no dey rest.
Everybody knows if our family we know they like okra.
Hey, how you gonna say they do like this?
See the way they even do your hand.
No, you're a professional. Me just for your own, you turn well.
Wait, see pot here now. See my hand. If I take her like this, Before my hand reach my mouth, you know, go drop this thing.
Your mouth no dey come down.
Use your own hand.
No. You ever say now you even.
Your hand just be like person use toothpick collect the thing.
Imagine somebody discovering how you fit take steam meat instead of cross soup. You do it like this. You do it like this. Say no, let her drop. Come put her for mouth. In fact, better say we get somebody on that telephone line. Hello there.
Yeah, so as they heard, program.
Thank you very much.
Yes, so me, my own small contribution be say the confusion with the above for PDP and APC. Now God they catch them because these people for so long they don't deceive us for so long. And as they be the same people where they rule us, since when they born us, now still the same people still want to continue to rule us. So this time now, every Nigerian, their eyes don't open. We don't go get our PVC. We don't ready to vote. Now God don't they put confusion among them. So I beg the Egypt where they carry us come up from, may they return us back to the place. Everything just they very high for this country. People they suffer insecurity. People don't even see food chop. Why they don't go they fight? So make God they put more confusion among them.
Okay, David, thank you very much for this your contribution. David Ona say, it be like say this thing now from God who as problem day here. He go give advantage to another people. But like my brother Unkubi don't talk, and when election time they come, because of interest, we go to see quarter here and there. But it's very, very important make Nigerians they focus because if some people their own interest now say, you not choose me to be your vice presidential candidate, and so are the verse. Or some other people now say, you choose this person over this person at the verse. You won't be Nigerian. What do you want? Ask yourself, what do you want for the person who go represent you? That person when we say go deliver on their promises. Make Nigeria they safe. Make children fit go school. No be say strike go there all these months. Make people fit go market, buy things, and no be say they go they cry when they come back house. Because money go there their pocket. Make we enter inside the Federal Capital Territory for Abuja. Take this call. Good evening and welcome to Asedot.
Good evening, Josephine calling from Abuja.
Good evening. Josephine. Because of whom I
want to contribute to concerning the physical challenge people.
Okay.
It's a welcome development.
Okay.
But INEC can still do better for those that are blind. By using their own language sign too, so that everything corresponds. And also, I think INEC can do better if they can add the pictures of those that are contesting in the paper, so that people that knows the party will see the face of those contesting to help the layman too. Let the face of every contestant be in accordance with his party.
Yes.
Not only for the physical challenge, because some people want to vote, but they don't know which party this person is coming from, apart from the popular APC and PDP party. So the pictures of the candidates will help Nigerians too. God bless you. Madam Josephine from Lagos.
Oh, Madam Josephine from Lagos.
Hey! Madam Josephine! Our one and only.
Hey, from the beginning of Aside Hall for 2014.
Madam Josephine, God bless you. Thank you for at least bringing us, giving us memory back. For you to call us, God bless you once again.
Which one be memory back?
Memory now. You know, Madam Josephine, they follow us right from time now.
If I don't say bringing back memories, which one be memory back?
Now pidgin I speak, memory back.
How you go speak pidgin? Memory back.
Memory back.
It just be like say person say card memory instead of memory card.
Memory back. I speak my own. Madam Josephine, wherever you are, right now you are in Abuja.
Why you don't call her Josephine, madam?
Madam Josephine.
No, if you call her Josephine,
you don't forget say that time. I always dey proud of Madam Josephine to say she dey bear my mama name. And anytime she dey talk, her talk they make sense.
See as you just expose your mama name outside. Who asked you?
My mother's name is Josephine. I'm proud of my mother.
No, me, I know they're proud of my own.
No, I know your mother's name is not Josephine. My mother's name sake.
The next person when go call, if na woman, oh, you are bearing my sister's name.
And now
if another one call, your body just they sweet you because now women they call.
Are you alright?
That's you. Code is even catch you. See as they do, code they catch you. Code they catch you.
What is they worry you?
Now you are going to ask.
Our telephone is still there open, Jare. Make na call, make we hear now. And I don't hear all the things we don't drop down. We still get more time. The one we got to do with my NEC, that is CVR. continuous voters registration. Do all get to do with the disabilities? We all get to do with other ones. We get somebody who is our telephone line right now. Good evening. Welcome to Us in the Hot.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Ben Bruce, calling you from Port Harcourt.
Oh yeah, now fire on Ben Bruce.
I want to put my mouth for the one where APC Northern Christians they form against their parties until say they choose Muslim ticket. I can't say now welcome development.
Okay.
What they see is good because it's not good for a particular religion to go form and to go won't come out to rule this country. We don't pick enough to choose Christians and Muslims because the two religions are the majority in this country. So whosoever want to choose Muslim or Christian ticket, we should vote those people out because they don't love this country. So that is my take. Hello?
Would they hear you?
Yeah. Please, I don't know whether I still have some more time to talk. I want to see put some more for the Wike. Wike is a very good man. They're supposed to consider him as one of the chieftains, member of the PDP. And I like the people don't want to talk the issue. Whatever Wike want to talk, we will believe him.
If we can talk, now go believe him. Okay.
It be like Oga Ben Bruce, thank you
very much.
But as they call us from Port Harcourt, it be like say that one say follow for waiting make you look say anything when in talk now the correct one. Everybody get the right to express themselves. Waiting with the talk and say no insult anybody, no curse anybody. Now the beauty of democracy be that, and now waiting we want on top of us in the hot to discuss the matter and talk exactly when we say the matter be. Now from our cause, it is very very clear. Say for that PDP matter, some people they reason say if he they cause problem for them, giving the popular song when Governor Wike they sing, as he they sweet us, he go they pain them. As he they pain them, he go they sweet us. If you like say they sweet some people say okay, make we continue this una quarrel, nothing concern us. As soon as they quarrel they go they give advantage to other people. But remember say we don't talk am here say now Nigerians now our hand the day at the end of the day to vote those when we say go move this country go the permanent site. Make we enter Anambra State. Moses, the author of our telephone line. Oga Moses, welcome to us.
Yes, we greet you.
Yeah, I want to come out for the first people who know the work.
Okay.
The voters card issue, they choose to give it open to the Northerners. We at Anambra here, you go to register your PVC, you will stay there from morning to night. I've gone there for over 1 week. They used to resume work by 2 o'clock in the evening, the day they choose to come. But the day they do not choose to come, they will not say you go there, sit there from morning to night. Nobody will listen to you. Like today, I went there in the morning, till the evening, and see nobody. And for the other side, Governor Wike and APC, all of them, APC, they know their brand. Nobody is going to vote them. Muslim ticket doesn't work in this country at one time. It's Christian Muslim, you choose the two religions. And for Governor Wike, whatsoever we say, we believe him. He is our master. He says what he can say. And whenever he speaks the truth.
Oga Moses, thank you very much. Like the Governor Wike friends. Now then just they call to talk their mind. I want to know whether maybe they go the same primary school. I
don't know.
Or secondary because they say whatever he say, we believe.
Him.
Maybe now be class captain. And you know the right names of people who don't make noise inside.
So from what you don't talk now, from this thing. If I say, I won't believe say some of the footages where they see Governor Wike they talk. When we say you go look into your eyes, they even feel insult your traditional ruler. Say tell you different things. All those things, and then they give the and say, no, everything this part they talk, not true. We got somebody with our telephone line. Hello there.
Hello, Genesis, you there? The call down.
Yeah, see there.
Okay, Genesis, you there? Talk to us, Genesis.
Hello,
Genesis, you there?
Yeah.
Reduce the volume of your television, Genesis.
One of the problem we're having is
the PDP and APC are not really helping matters.
Hey, Genesis, carry us go back to the beginning. Genesis, you carry us go back to the beginning. We don't talk, say, reduce the volume of television. You know, reduce them. Now, you can't, I know, say, the talk where you won't talk, you won't hit the thing. But no wahala. If you get the chance to call us back on Monday.
It hits more.
It hits more.
It hits more.
If you get the chance to call us back on Monday on top of the Hot Monday night special, you go call us because some of this matter, we feel roll them over. Make we enter inside to discuss them with our Ogbonge analyst, Jimmy Disu, when we say, go talk the matter the way it take be, go break them down and problem no go there. Now, our people went there for house. If we check 2 of the 3 stories where we carry come, get them for the back of your mind. Say, even though we narrow that matter to PDP because of what Governor Wike talk, following the interview of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and APC Northern Christian leaders, following the fact say the party go for Muslim tickets. In the end, general election now for everybody inside the world of Nigeria to vote for. No be by whether you and person dey the same political party, now the person go deliver. No be by whether you and the person come from the same ethnic group, now the person go deliver. No be by whether you and the person they go the same worship center, now the person go deliver. Now about the competence and the capacity of the person get idea, the person get the wisdom, the person dey responsible enough to work to move this country forward. No be only president we dey vote for. Every time we get the chance, we dey talk up. We go also vote for those who dey the legislative arm of government, those who go make law for inside this our country. So I beg, from now, time day before February, begin to do your research. People when don't come and talk, say them be candidates. Now those people go present themselves, make we choose from. Begin to find out 1 or 2 things about those people, so that when the time reach, you go vote for the right person to move this our country go forward. Our final caller there on top of our telephone line. Good evening and welcome to Aside Hot. Help us end them well.
Yes, what be your name, Abeg?
My name is Sunday James from Jos.
Oh yeah, now talk to us.
Waiting baby you say Dogara, wetin happen to Dogara? Wetin happen to Dogara? You say Dogara is I can say is a selfish somebody. It happens to Dogara lead PDP when he served very, very fine. And now he went down to APC, positioning himself, thinking that they will teach him as a vice. Now when the thing no come favor him again, now he don't look say the thing. So let him be there and salvage what he went for. So waiting there say waiting happen to them. Yeah, I know just send. But I thank God, everybody know I've got my PVC. I tell my family my PVC, they all arrange them for table. And I don't pick, I will take one Baba and tie them. 9 minutes, everybody of my family will tell me, wait and wait who won't vote for. Then I will tell them,
very true. James from Jos, you don't do well as you talk, say you don't get your own PVCO, and when the time reach, you go exercise your right to franchise. We want to make everybody do the same and take advantage of the window when they now, because I talk say that July 31st. But they don't also talk, say they go work weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and they go work reach 5 p.m. Yes. So that those who never register, then go fit register. I beg. Now the only country where we get be this, so and it no go spoil. We need to join our hand together to move this our country go the permanent side.
Chuku, you know it's not just the reason. I just the reason this particular Muslim Christian ticket to just, for instance now, if say one of these people they talk say no be Muslim ticket to what? We just come out, come the rant, come the rate. They say no, if it is not Muslim Christian ticket, it is nothing. We will not accept Muslim ticket. Let us live here right now. We will not accept it.
I go see you now on Monday.